In this video, we'll show you how to mod Minecraft Java. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to mod your Minecraft Java, I'll show you how to do it step by step. After watching this, you will know how to install Forge Client as the mod loader, installing the mods into your Minecraft, and on top of that, getting shaders with Optifine to improve your Minecraft looks. Alright, so the first thing we need is a mod loader. There's many options you can go with, but in this video, we'll use Forge Client. But practically installing with another mod loader will be similar. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you out whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing modded Minecraft with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel. So, thank you so much. Alright, to download Forge Client, you can go to minecraftforge.net or just type in Forge Client on Google and this website will appear at the top. So once you're here on the left tab, look for the Minecraft version you want to play on. The thing to consider here is that you have to match the Minecraft version of Forge Client and the mods you try to install so the mod can run. For example, I want to mod Minecraft 120.1, so I can click that, and here you can download the latest or recommended version of it. I'll just download the latest one, click the installer icon here, it will bring you to an ad page, wait 5 seconds, and click on the skip button at the top right. Save the installer somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder and here you'll have the Forge installer. It's in a jar extension, so to open it, you will need Java installed on your PC. To download Java, you can go to java.com and once you're here, you can click on download Java for desktop and then click download again. And just like before, hit save and the download will start. Go back to your downloads folder or wherever you save it and just install Java on your PC. Double click on the exe file, follow the prompt to install it, hit install. After it's done, you can close it and now you can open up the Forge installer. So right click on it, open with, and then choose another app, select Java from the list and hit always. It'll open up the Forge installer window. Now if you still cannot open the jar files, you might need to use a tool called jarfix. You can type in jarfix on Google and at the top go to this website here by Johan Lufman, open it up, click here to download the program, save it somewhere on your PC, go back to your downloads folder and open up the exe file. Jarfix will ensure the jar files open with the correct Java runtime environment. Once you see this, you can click OK and try to open the Forge installer again. Now let's install Forge. Click install client here and hit OK. The installation process will start, wait for it to finish. After it's done, hit OK and open up your Minecraft launcher. So type in Minecraft launcher, open it up. Once you're in, on the bottom left, make sure you select the correct Forge profile. In my case, it's Forge 120.1. So let's select that and then go to installation tab, look for your Forge installation, click the folder icon on the right and you'll go to your Minecraft installation folder. Now here, look for a folder called mods. If you don't have it, you can simply right click, new, create a new folder and name it mods. After you have the mods folder, open it up and this is where you install your mods. Now to download Minecraft mods, you can go to curseforge.com and once you're here, you want to click on Minecraft and right off the bat, there is many mods you can download and install. Go to browse all. On the left tab here, you can browse it by its type. For example, mod packs, shaders, mods, add-ons, worlds. And then if you scroll down a little bit under mod loaders, make sure you tick Forge. So it only shows mods that are available for Forge client. So just scroll down, look for your mods. For example, here I want to download Unusual Prehistory 2 by Pecco. So once you find the mod you want to download, you can click on it to go to the page. And then on the description page, make sure you scroll down and look for any dependencies that the mod needs. Some mods require another mods to work. So keep that in mind. For this mod, it doesn't have any dependencies. So I can go to files and then we're going to download the correct version. Make sure the game version matches your Forge client and also the mod loaders is of course Forge. So for me, it's going to be this one, the latest one. Click the 3 dots and then hit download file. Save it somewhere on your PC just like before, hit save and the download will start. I also want to download and install Zero's Minimap. It's a nice addition. I recommend you to install this as well. Just like before, go to the Files tab and then look for the correct version. It's available for the newer Minecraft version. So to find your Minecraft version easily, you can filter it by, look for the correct one. 120.1 for me. Make sure the mod loader is Forge. Click the 3 dots and hit download file. Hit save. Go back to your downloads folder, you'll have your mods in the jar files. Now to install it, you just need to drag and drop it into the mods folder inside your Minecraft installation folder. Just like that, and that's done. Alright, now I'll show you how to get shaders with Optifine. And once you're here, you can go to the Downloads tab at the top, look for your Minecraft version. If you cannot see it, just hit Show All Version, scroll down, and for me it's 120.1. Hit Download here, it'll go to an ad page, click the skip button at the top right, and hit Download. Hit Save, and the download will start. Once you finish downloading, you'll have Optifine also in a jar file. So to install it, it'll be the same as before. Drag and drop it into your mods folder, and that's done. Now you can go back to your Minecraft launcher, go to the Play tab. On the left tab, make sure you select the correct profile, and hit play. It'll open up Minecraft with Forge and also all the mods you installed. Once the game loads, in the main menu, you will have Mods button. Click on that, and if you installed everything correctly, Forge and all the mods you install will appear on the list. If everything looks good, hit done and spawn into your world. So let's play single player here and select any world. Now I'm inside my world, and as you can see, I have many new mobs here. In this case, prehistoric animal from unusual prehistoric mod I just installed. And if you see on the top left, I also have a minimap to help me navigate. It's the Zero's minimap that I also installed. It has coordinates display, biome info, cave maps, overall amazing mods to install regardless of your gameplay. Everything seems good. Now we can install shaders into your Minecraft with Optifine. Press escape to go to the pause menu, and then go to options, video settings, and because we also install Optifine, there will be a shaders option here. So click that, and here you will see all of your shaders lists. If you have nothing in the list, on the bottom left, click on shaders folder. It'll take you to where you install all of your shaders. Now to download the shader, you can go back to CurseForge again, and on the left tab, click on shaders. It'll only show you shaders that you can download from realistic shaders, performance boost shaders, or even stylized shaders. For example, I want to download Bliss shader by song here. Click on it to go to the page, go to the files tab, and look for the version that matches your Minecraft version. You can click on it to see its detail. Here, as you can see, it's available for Minecraft 120.1, which is exactly what I need. Hit download file, save it on your PC, hit save, and it'll start downloading. Now go to your downloads folder and you will have the shader in a zip file. You don't need to extract it, just drag and drop it into the shaders mod we opened earlier. So if you want to add another shader, just download it through CurseForge and put the zip file here. You can put as many shaders as you want in this folder, and you can switch shaders within the game with Optifine. Go back to Minecraft and select your shader from the list. It'll load for a bit. Once it's loaded, go back, and there we go. Your Minecraft will look beautiful with the new shader. Now you know how to mod Minecraft Java. So just add more mods and try as many shaders as you want. Installing Minecraft mods with another mod loader like Fabric is gonna be similar to this. And if you want to play this modded Minecraft with your friends, you can create a server with Apex hosting. It's really easy to set up, and most importantly, the performance is amazing, so you can enjoy modded Minecraft with your friends. We have a video on how to set it up, so go ahead and watch that, and that's it for now. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.